Morning, Carol. What have you got for us?
I've got everything, so what a day. Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be wet and it's going to be very windy. If you're stepping out now and you're taking a brolly with you, make sure it's a sturdy one because we've got the potential for disruptive winds. It's going to be windy wherever you are, but around some of the coasts we could have gusts up to 70 miles an hour, creating some huge waves when you add on that with the wind that we had yesterday.
Good morning. It's a bright start this morning, a dry start with some sunshine, but it is going to be a very blustery day. The Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place for strong winds.
I wonder what Constitution Hill's going to be like in terms of weather at the weekend, the going, because it's soggy on the hoof.
Never mind the hooves, John. What about the high heels? Carol, what's it going to be like?
Well, we're certainly going to see a fair bit of rain before Saturday. Saturday itself isn't looking too bad for the Grand National. Again, there'll be a lot of dry weather around. Later in the day, weather fronts coming in from the Atlantic, and it's not going to be as windy because today we're looking at very windy conditions and also some showers, and still at the moment some rain. Now, to give you an idea of the kind of gusts that we've already had as we've gone through the early part of today, Needles has had a gust of 83 miles an hour, Blackpool 66 miles an hour, and this is because at the moment we've got a very strong jet stream as indicated by these arrows. Underneath it we've got a deepening area of low pressure which has got trailing fronts.
You need to pay attention as well because there's a lot of weather around, Carol, isn't there?
There certainly is, John. Yes, good morning both. Good morning to you too. In fact, the low pressure that's bringing us the wet and very windy weather today has just been named by Meteo France. They've called it Storm Noah because of the effects it will have in North France later on.